Cardano, currently trading about $1, guys. Its market cap of $34 billion, ranked number 6 on the list, and its ticker is ADA. But before getting a part of this cryptocurrency, what is it, guys? Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow change makers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive change, global change. So, guys, if you guys want to learn more about proof-of-stake versus proof-of-work versus proof-of-stake, just look at this right here. This is on the coinmarketcap.com if you want to learn the differences of what they are, so you can understand more about cryptocurrencies. Please check it out. But let's see where you guys can get this cryptocurrency. Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Gate.io. So they're on a bunch of exchanges, bunch of different places that you guys can trade, hodl, be a part of this cryptocurrency. So let's see about their price rating, guys. Price rating has done really good. They got a C, and as of last year, July 23rd, 2021, off of Symmetry, and a triple B on Stable Outlook. Now, guys, here's a little spectrum of what they put and where Cardano's at in the top 96% of cryptocurrencies. That's absolutely insane. And so, like, I find it very amazing that cryptocurrencies can have this right here. So, also, here's a dynamic performance score. So, guys, I like cryptocurrencies that have ratings versus ones that don't. But I guess want to learn more about it, please read the full report. Read this. I will have a link below so you guys can educate yourself more about cryptocurrencies. Let's see the CoinMarketCap news, guys. So here's some news on their platform. I will be sharing some of the news on their Twitter page, guys. So here's your ADA leaning for a major developments on the horizon about 40 minutes ago. Also, number addressing Cardano. What else we got? This one's about Cardano, Sand, and Engine Coin price analysis. You want to see their analysis, guys, check it out. But let's go to their website. So here's their website, guys, cardano.org, making the world work better for all. I want to see their white page. What else is that? Their developers, individuals. You just want to check out their website, guys. Please educate yourself. It helps out so you guys can learn more about it to a point. So if you guys are going to trade it or, get it hodl or whatever you want to be a part of it, just what it is. It's not like a meme coin, or it's not like Squid Games, how it just comes out and then it rockets to the moon and then goes away. You want to be knowledgeable about it before trading and hodling or being part about it. So let's get the Twitter page, guys. Twitter got 1.2 million followers, so there's a lot of people following it. There's some new news about the Ryukyu network. If you guys want to learn more about it, I'll have it linked below. Also, follow me on Twitter, AndreJMcClendon.com. I talk about political stuff, trading. I guess are involved. You want to be involved in that? Please follow me, and we can have the discussion on there. But let's get to that price prediction, guys. So, like other cryptocurrencies, like Cardano, even the ones in the top like 100, top 10, all are facing a lot of down pressure right now. What I like about Cardano versus the other ones right now, Cardano is at a stopping point, and let's look at it stopping and slowing down. Stopping at this major resistance where many people are seeming to buy this. And if it does go down below this point, it might head down a whole lot lower. We're talking about almost 80 cents lower. It can be a lot of pain for people who got in up here. But let's see how we're going to do this. So my first thing is, guys, I would usually do like a buy stop or some type of market order. First thing I'm going to do a price alert. And I want to see more information or more market structure happening here, because it can break this point here and head down way lower. I don't want to be in an order if it does it. So what I want to do is wait. Now this is the weekly. We can kick to the daily. Take the bigger perspective. And here's the daily, guys. See how it bounced off of here, and take off higher. I don't know if it's going to do that again. It's downtrending pretty hard, and let me see, take off this right here. Give me a second. So it might not be able to bounce off of this. But what I want to do is wait and see more buyers into the market to basically get me in the trade too. Because I don't want to get into a trade that just ultimately just goes down and it can free fall from there. So first thing is wait for more data. Wait for more entries to come in. Do a price alert. My first price alert would probably be right above this support right here. That'd be like at $1.18. Wait for that. See if it builds up higher, builds some more support zones above it. Like basically build up some support right here. more buyers into the market. So before I put my order in, I want to see if more orders are being put in just in general, and see if they're going to reattempt this high of 1.6. Okay. Let's see. So if it does do that, that's what I'll do. So my first price prediction, guys, is going to be the 1.6. That's where I want to see it go. And I might, on the way up there, do a buy stop at this point right here. At this midpoint would be like at 1.3 before ultimately entering any other bigger positions. So my first price prediction, guys, will be 1.6, $1.60. And I would do a buy stop at 1.3. And that's only if it builds some structure before I put my buy stop in. Build some structure, then I'll put an order in, heading up to that higher high. So I get into the trade, get kicked into the trade. If it heads up higher, then I move my stop loss above my entry, locking in the trade, keeping it a positive trade. Hits 1.6, I'll take some off of my $1.60. I'll take off some of my position and let the rest run. If it knocks me out of position, then I'll do another price update. But that's my plan for Cardano, guys. If you have any questions or comments on how I came to that, please let me know in this comments. Drop a comment below. We can have a conversation. But let's get to my website, guys. So if you guys want to start your free trading account or for Forex, cryptocurrency, or stocks, please click the link. Help me out and get a kickback. Also, you do too. I think get free stock or some crypto out of it too if you vote it with some funds. Also, let's get with some indicators. You have some free indicators, guys. These are the ones I back tested. I can add more if you like. Just let me know. And also, if you want a custom EA or custom indicator, I do program when it comes to trading. So let me know. We can have a discussion. But that's the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for making it to the end. I'll see you.